Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will tell you the basic things about the cancellation token, and I will tell you that why should we use the cancellation token. Okay, and let's imagine in a scenario where your application is running smoothly. Okay, but at some point you see an issue that your third-party API stops working, or maybe your data fetching becomes so slower. So in these scenarios, your cancellation token will help you. Okay, and the meaning of the cancellation token is that it is a mechanism ASP.NET Core where in such scenarios your application and your request will cancel gracefully. Okay, and all the database operations and all the third party API hits becomes it always handles the in this situation, and it always cancels the uh, every request gracefully. Okay, so in this scenario your application won't get a hurdle situation. Okay, so this kind of things we do we do with the cancellation token. Okay, and mostly developers they just do create the some APIs, and they handle the conditions, and fetching the records from the databases and updating the records in the databases. Okay, so these kind of things they do in the application, but they always forget to improve the API requests. Okay, and the basic and the fundamental improvement of the any APIs, that is the cancellation token. Okay, and we will see through an example that how we can implement the cancellation token and how it is very helpful for us. Okay, so let's say this example. Okay, and I have written a basic code. Okay, so that if you are a beginner in the .NET Core, or if you are a mid-level developer. Okay, so this will make you to understand how we can use the cancellation token for our APIs. Okay, and what I'm telling you that uh, like how it can handle the those situations. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, so in the controller I created a method. Okay, so which is get all users. Okay, and what I'm doing here, I am passing the cancellation token here. Okay, and now I am following the clean architecture. Okay, or again in this method I am passing the cancellation token. Okay, and if I go to the repository. Okay, so what I am seeing here, I am printing the some message in the console. Okay, and then after this I am waiting for the 10 seconds. Okay, and it like 10 second is we are assuming that it is the response time from the third party API, or maybe databases. Okay, so that's why I use this kind of thing. Okay, or suppose I if I suppose my application becomes uh, slower, or I want to cancel it. Okay, so in the parameter, if I get true, so it will throw an exception operation cancel exception. Okay, so in the catch block, okay, I use the parameter operation cancel exception. Okay, and it will return me that operation is cancelled. Okay, or in this block we can roll back all the conditions in the databases. Okay, and we can manage the things in the catch block. Okay, so that's why we can cancel all the requests gracefully. Okay, via using things in the catch block. Okay, so let's see how the things are working in this condition, or in this API. Okay, so if I go to the postman. Okay, and if I hit the condition that suppose I don't want to cancel my request. Okay, and I want to get my basic users details. Okay, so right now it will return me name Rohan and email is Rohan Kumar @gmail.com. Okay, so this kind of thing it will return me. Okay, and it is waiting here for the 10 seconds. Okay, or after the 10 seconds it is returning the result. Okay, suppose if I want to cancel this request. Okay, and suddenly we will see that our request and our response will become changed completely. Okay, or in this situation, in this sketch block, we can manage the things, and we can roll back our database operations as well. Okay, so always make sure that while you are working with the databases, or you are updating, or you are deleting, or you are inserting some values inserting a row in the databases. Okay, so make sure that you should do all these things in the transaction. Okay, so that's why you can, whenever the things get worst, so in this scenario your transaction will automatically roll back in the catch block. Okay, so let's see the basic things about the cancellation token. Okay, mostly developers whenever I work with the multiple projects, okay, so I saw that the previous developers, they never use the cancellation token. Okay, and and my focus is always to use the cancellation token. Okay, and I always assume that my database connection or third party connection can always be uh, breakable. Okay, also, so okay, like it is not available for 100% time. Okay, so make sure that whenever you are using the third party API or database operations, okay, so you should always use the cancellation token. Okay, let me tell you the scenarios where we can use the cancellation token, and where we can pass the cancellation token. Okay, so suppose like when we are using the HTTP client classes, okay, and we are calling the third party API, so in this scenario we can use the cancellation token. Okay, and we pass the parameter as a cancellation token in the uh, as the last parameter of this block. Okay, and the second scenario is that we can pass this cancellation token in the link query as well. Okay, yes guys, you are actually heard it right. Okay, we can pass this cancellation token in the link queries. Okay, if I tell you about the another scenario, we can use the cancellation token in the SMTPs as well. Okay, so this kind of things we used in the these scenarios. Alright, okay, and cancellation token plays the very important role in the while we are canceling the request. Okay, and the while the connection get lost or aborted. Okay, so this kind of things and this kind of scenarios we use the cancellation token. I hope you guys have learned more about the cancellation token, and if you love this video and if you like this content, so please like the video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button. Okay, and let me show you my code again. Okay, and please try this code in your ASP.NET Core project. Okay, and then you will get to know that how the things are working. Okay, make sure that you should always use operation cancel exception. Okay, in this exception block you should always roll back everything that you have done in the try block. Okay, so this is why we use the cancellation token. Okay, like here is the importance of the cancellation token. Okay, and you should start using the cancellation token if you haven't used, and if you are like if you always skip to use the cancellation token. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day guys. Bye bye, take care.